हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य 70तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. Okay, the next one is little interesting. I will show some sentences. You need to identify what is the wrong with that sentence and what is the right sentence. I mean, no need to mention what is the wrong. Maybe you can say what is the right for sentence after correcting the mistake. Okay, so the first sentence is Janaha Sanskrite Vadanti. Maybe I will flash 5 sentences now. Okay, now let's start.
Janaha Sanskritena Vadanti. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, right. Now next one.
Aham Devam Namami.
Yeah, right.
Ramaha Nagaram Gachati.
Okay. So when you say when you are giving corrected sentence, that means the existing sentence is wrong. Okay, that's the assumption I take. Let's move.
Aham Gajam Pashyami.
Okay. Now few more sentences.
Pita Mastake Tadayati.
Yeah, right.
Mastake Tadayati. Sa Natya Nipunam. Natyat Nipunam.
Wrong. Yeah, let's move.
Sa Natyena Nipunam.
No, that is wrong.
Sa Natyam Nipunam.
No, that is again wrong. No, it is wrong. Yeah.
Natyaya, it is both the cases. Natyaya.
No, again it's wrong.
I don't know. Maybe Shashti Natyasya.
No, it is wrong. Okay.
Sa Natye Nipuna.
Yeah, right. It's a Visheshna Vishesha Bhavaha. Perfect. Okay. Next one.
Jalam Vane Asti.
Correct. But one thing, Jalam Vane Santi is also right. Maybe if somebody knows how, you can justify in the chat.
Malika
Wrong. Yeah.
Balika Esha Tanti.
Sorry, Balika?
Esha.
Okay, Esha. Yeah, can you read complete sentence? I mean, can you read out complete corrected sentence? Okay, let me move on. Yeah.
Balika Eshaha Patati.
No, that is wrong.
Balika Eshasya Patati.
No, that is wrong.
Balika Esham Patanti.
No, wrong.
Balika Eshaha Patati.
No, wrong.
Balika Etaha Patati.
Right. Okay, but what do you mean by Etaha? What's the meaning of this sentence?
Etaha is Tritiya for Strilingam. Etat Shabdaha Strilingam. Dvivachana Bahuvachanam.
Ditya Bahuvachanam, right? Okay.
The girl reads Ditya Bahuvachanam. So
Meaning?
the girl reads these.
Yeah, perfect, right? And I just gave this just because Eshaha is not at all a form. There is no Vibhakti form like Eshaha. That's what we wanted to know of this. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Few more also. Yeah.
पुस्तकस्य पठनं करोमि.
Right. Okay, next one.
Himalaye Ganga Bahati. Correct.
Okay, fine. I think we read something in the Vibhakti Pata. I'm just looking for that one.
मातुः पुत्रः च फलं ददाति.
Can you repeat the sentence again?
मातुः पुत्रः फलं ददाति. मातुः पुत्राय फलं ददाति.
No, that is wrong. Matuh is not the right form. Okay.
माता पुत्रः फलं ददाति.
No, wrong.
मातृ पुत्र फलं ददाति. मातृ पुत्रेण फलं ददाति.
No, wrong.
माता पुत्राय फलं ददाति.
Yeah, that is right.
Arjuna, what is Sanskrit.Today? Sanskrit. Very soft voice is it? Sanskrit vakyam dadaati.
Okay, that's right.
बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति.
Yeah, that is right.
Ganesh Mahodaya. Should be Ganesha Mahodaya.
Yeah, that's right. Ganesha is not the right one. Okay. Yeah. No, that is fine actually. I just wanted to correct this Ganesh. That is corrected. Ganesha Mahodaya. That is right. Next one.
विद्यालयस्य बहिः वाहनानि सन्ति. It's correct. Tamil looks correct.
Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one.
विद्यालयतः बहिः वाहनानि सन्ति.
Else, what is the right form?
Panchami Vibhakti, right? Vidyaliyatah bahihi.
Yeah, Vidyaliyatah. You have any other Panchami form? It's a Vidyalayat is the right usage and it comes to Vibhakti Pata. Vidyaliyatah is a shortcut. Okay, fine. Okay, now just on another thing. On this one, Ramaha Nagare Gacchati, Aham Gajaha Pashyami, Pita Mastakam Tadayati, and Jalam Vane Santi, and Pustakam Patanam Karomi, yes, and Himalaya Ganga Vahati, and Arjunaha Shantaswaram Vakyam Vadati, and Balakaha Vidyalaya Gacchati, and yeah, these are all sentences. They are grammatically correct and they express some meaning. If you can figure it out. Okay, that's for your home exercise. Okay, let's move. But I think it's already 8:34. I wanted to do some other things also. Maybe we'll stop here actually. Okay, I think I had few other things. And one more thing is, these are the few topics I had. In case if possible, you can try to frame some short exercises or short essays on these and try it out on yourself. But I'm not guaranteeing on correcting these exercises, but it's just for your abhyas. I can try to frame some short essays with some 10 sentences, like Mama Jivanasya Lakshyam and Sanskrit Bhasha and Samaj Sevam Aham Evam Karomi and Mama Deshaha. So these are all the topics. If possible, you can try to write some short essay with some 10 sentences on any one of the topics. Okay, I think that's the end of this session. I'm not sure I could able to cover all the concepts which we learned in the Vibhakti Patha, but at least I hope I have covered most of the important things. So with that, we will end the session, and in case if you have any feedback on today's session we want to correct tomorrow, we still have some scope. We can correct it tomorrow. We can discuss post the prayer before ending. Astu, dhanyavadaha. But in case if you want to share any feedback, I can open up the Q&A session now.
Very interesting, Audya. We know where we stand, but it needs more of practice to remember. Sometimes, like you said, Kalpate, I know it is on the fourth Vibhakti, we are not able to frame sentences. So maybe it needs more of practice from our side. And anyway, the way you have taught it helps us to know what kind of vibhakti usage will come there. The only thing is we are not able to get the forms, vibhakti forms sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
Vidra becomes Vidraya. It is difficult, like, or
Okay.
Anyway, it is a very nice exercise for us, because when you are correcting it, the correction is for all. Though the only one person makes a mistake, the correction is for all. So all of us benefit.
Okay.
Dhanyavad, very
Sure.
educative and very creative. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so the same way it will be there for tomorrow as well. Get ready. I think now you understand the pattern, so we can get ready for the tomorrow's one.
Hello, Mahodaya.
Hari Om.
Really very interesting class today. And actually we thought that we are little bit thorough with the vibhaktis, but after seeing these exercises, definitely I feel that I am not that much very familiar, that I have to do more and more work in doing the vibhaktis, because the way you have projected all the sentences and everything, definitely it is a very wonderful sentences you have selected, and very catching and very difficult to answer that whether is it correct, that is correct, like that, so really thank you so much. And really hours together we can do it, but because of the limited time only that we could do like that. We expect more and more. And one more small request, and we are eagerly waiting for the level 2 from your side.
Yeah.
Thank you. And by you only. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all about the Q&A. But tomorrow we will have the same way we will have for lakaras, and as well as for other avyayas and pratyayas. And of course, that is even more. We have different exercises for them. Maybe we'll have the same level of complexity even in tomorrow's session also. So I feel I think I always suggest you to get ready and come to the come to this session. So it will be benefiting for you. Else, if you just attend the exam, I'm calling it as exam, but it's a session. But if you attend the session without preparation, it may not be that useful. But I would suggest you get ready and prepare go through the lessons and come for tomorrow's one. Yeah, that's all for today's session. Hope you have enjoyed this session. And if you have any queries or if you want to interact with teachers, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today, or you can even join our Telegram group, and the link for that group is given in the course page. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And finally, like this video, and if you have any comments or feedback, please post it on the comment section. Dhanyavadaha.